Okay? So first, let's have the meaning of geometric sequence. Pakibasa nga po ako. May I ask Nikki to read what is geometric sequence?
A sequence with a common ratio is a geometric sequence. The ninth term A
Sub
sub
n.
n of the sequence is A sub n equals A sub 1
R
r
raised to
raised to n
minus 1.
minus 1, where A sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio.
Okay, thank you, Nikki. So when we say geometric sequence, it is a sequence, the same with arithmetic. Pero sa pagkakaibahan lang nila, sa arithmetic, you have the common difference. Dito sa geometric sequence, you have the common ratio. Which means, you can arrive the A sub n or yung tinatanong na n term of the sequence by using the formula A sub n is equals to A sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. Okay? Where A sub 1 is the first term and our R is our common ratio. Now, the question is, sir, how do we get our common ratio? This is how we get our common ratio. Now, common ratio is denoted by letter R or small letter r is ano talaga. Also known as the constant multiplier and can be obtained using r is equals to a sub 2 over a sub 1. So unlike with the common difference na pinagmaminus natin yung ating a sub 2 sa a sub 1, dito sa common ratio, we need to divide a sub 2 by a sub 1. So let's have an example. Find the common ratio and the next three terms of each geometric sequence. Okay. So 6, 12, 24, 48. So hanapin daw natin yung susunod na tatlong nawawala dito after ng 48. So dito class ang pagkakaibahan natin is instead of adding and subtracting, dito we are multiplying. Palagi tayo magmumultiply ng paulit-ulit until we get the correct answer. Okay, now let's have our solution. So malamang una muna nating isusulat is yung formula. Tandaan, a sub 2 ang nasa ibaba and then a sub 1 naman yung nasa a sub 2 ang nasa itaas, then a sub 1 naman yung nasa ibaba. Now, what is our a sub 2? Yung pangalawang term, that is 12. Ano naman yung a sub 1 natin? That is 6. So, what is 12 divided by 6? That is 2. So, ibig sabihin, the constant multiplier is 2. Okay, class? Wait lang, class. Maambi dito sa akin, ha? Okay. So, back na tayo. So, paano nga siya kinuha ulit? Ang nasa itaas is yung pangalawang term. Ang nasa ibaba is yung unang term. Then, after nun, kung pwede siyang i-divide, i-divide. Now, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay? Now, move na tayo dito. So, how do we get the next three terms? Ganito lang, class. Yung pinakahuling term, 48. Tama? Yung 48, ita-times mo siya sa 2. 48 times 2 is 96. And then yung 96, ita-times mo na naman sa 2, 192. And then yung 192, ita-times mo ulit sa 2, 384. And for the last part, conclusion tayo. So, 96, 192, and 384 are the next three terms. Naririnig po ba? Naulan kasi. Okay po? So let's have an example. Okay. So example muna tayo, class. Sabay-sabay nating sagutan to. Pakikopya ako, class, ha? Okay. Okay, right after nun, class, we need to get our formula. Okay, our formula is R. Okay, our formula is R is equal to A sub 2 over A sub 1. Okay, question. Joyce, what is our A sub 2?
Negative 30 po.
Very good. The negative 30. Ayan, very good. Nakikinig. Over, ano naman yung ating A sub 1 ko? Lakasan yung boses ko ba? Kasi malakas yung ulan dito.
Negative 6.
Very
Negative
good.
6.
Negative 6. Okay po. Equal. Winey. Okay. What is negative 30 divided by negative 6?
Ha?
What is negative divided by negative?
Ano? Pares lang ba yung sa times? Positive.
Opo, positive. 30 divided by 6 is what? Okay, so what is the answer? Positive? 5. Okay na? Now, move na tayo doon sa paghahanap ng ating next 3 terms. So, may nawawalang 3 blanco dito. So, we need to find it out. So, ang pinaka-last term natin is 150. Negative 150. So, negative 150 ay i-multiply natin siya sa 5. Okay. So, 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5 is, so 0, 5, 25. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 7, plus 2 is 7. So, negative 750. Okay. Then, next naman is negative 750 multiplied again by 5. Sige, paki-multiply nga po muna. Negative 750 times 5. Jeff, meron ng sagot, Jeff?
Wala pa po.
Benny, late ka na naman pumasok. Humabol ka dito, ha?
Pa?
Late ka pumasok. Humabol ka.
Kakaano lang po kasi ng sir. Kakatapos ko lang po mag-download ng
Meron na,
Zoom.
sir.
Meron na? Ano po yung sagot, Tristan?
Ay, Tristan pala.
Ay, ikaw pala, Jeff. O, sige. Akala ko kasi kakbukos mo na si Tristan eh. Oh, yes, Jefferson. What's the answer?
Negative 3,750.
Very good. 3,750. Last. Negative 3,750 times 5. Okay, ito lang yung niya, class, kasi kailangan mo mag-multiply ng paulit-ulit. Ayan, sige. Don't use calculator, ha?
Negative 18,750.
18,750, Nicolay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sige, tingnan natin kung tama, ha? 18,750 yung sagot mo?
Opo.
Okay, sige. Let's see. Okay, that is the correct answer. Negative 18,750. Okay. So, bale, for your conclusion, add tayo na ulit ng text dito. So, negative 750, negative 3,750, and negative 18,750 are the next 3 terms. Todo. Winey, I remember that polo. Parang red something yan siya. Red, garnet, tama? Yes. Red garnet, oo nga. Yung lalaki yung nakasuot kayo na parang isang ganun. The other, yung babae naman para silang si Okay. So that is how we solve our next 3 terms. Naintindihan po ba? Nikki, may tanong? Sandra, may tanong? Nicolay, may tanong?
Wala po.
Okay, so kung may tanong kayo, reach out nyo lang, open your mic, then tell me your name, and then sabihin nyo kung ano yung tanong nyo. Kasi baka naman si Koke yung nagsasalita, hindi ko alam. Kaya tuwag kanina, si Jefferson, bigla lang nagsalita, akala ko si Tristan. Yeah. Sabihin nyo muna, diba, Sir Jefferson po, 3,750. Ganun. Okay na tayo? So nakuha na to, nakopya na din. Marcus, nasa CR ka pa rin ba? Or are you there na? Ayan.
Hindi na ako, sir.
Nakuha mo, nakopya nyo? Okay, now move na tayo sa example number 2. Okay. So sa example number 2, what if we deal with a fraction? So anong gagawin natin? So madali lang din to, class, if you deal with a fraction. So 1 over 40, 1 over 20, 1 over 10, and then we have ellipses. Find the next 3 terms. So yung sumunod na tatlong terms. So ang gagawin natin, ganun pa rin yung formula. R is equals to A sub 2 over A sub 1. R is equals to, ano nga yung A sub 2 natin, Grace? Ano yun? Okay, sige po. Okay, so ano na lang, Kyla, what is our A sub 2?
1/20.
Okay, 1 over 20. While our A sub 1, Kyla, is what?
1/40.
Okay, so very good. So we have 1 over 20 over 1 over 40. Pag ganito ang nangyari, class, if you have a factors with, a fraction within a fraction, you can have the what we call reciprocal. Okay, ang reciprocal ay ginagawa mo lang sa ibabang part ng ating fraction, yung 1 over 40. So when we say reciprocal, we need to baliktarin natin. So yung 1 over 40 magiging 40 over 1. Okay? So bali in our next slide, you will see that, ayan, R is equals to 1 over 20 times 40 over 1. And then yung division kanina, ito, hindi na siya ngayon division, kundi multiplication after mo mag-reciprocal. So 1 over 20 times 40 over 1 is equals to 1 times 40 is 40 over 20 times 1 is 20. 40 divided by 20 is 2. After nyan, yung 1 over 10 times mo lang siya sa 2. 1 times 2 is 2 and then bawal mo siyang i-times yung 10 sa 2 kasi nga numerator sa numerator lang. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2 over 10. Now, sir, paano po nakuha yung 1 over 5? 2 over 10 ay pwede mo pa siyang i-simplify. Kanino ba pwedeng i-divide si 2 at saka si 10? Pwede siyang i-divide sa 2. Tama? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Ang tawag natin doon is lowest term. Okay? So you need to lowest term your answer bago kayo mag-move sa pangalawang multiplication. Now, 1 over 5 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 over 5. And then 2 over 5 naman. So ito hindi na to lowest term kasi wala namang pwedeng i-divide sa 2 at 5. Yung 2 over 5, ita-times mo naman sa 2. 2 times 2, you have 4 over 5. And that is the next 3 terms. May tanong po ba? Nasusundan? Okay? So let's have our example. Ay, doon na lang din ako, class. Mas madali pa doon. Okay. So, this is our given. Palitan ko lang yung mga number, class, ha. Ano? And then, 3. Okay, so yan lang class. Dalawa lang yung given. Pwede naman yan siya. Okay, so halimbawa, our given is 1 over 20 and the other one is 1 over 60. Okay, so ang gagawin muna natin is, ay balik na rin pala natin class, sorry. This one is 60 and the other one is 20. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Ayan. So first one is we need to get the R is equals to, okay, so we have, kopyahin na lang natin to. Formula muna tayo, class, ha. Kung kaya nyo ng ano, sige, simulan nyo na. Kung saan na kayo mag-aano. Sige, tuloy nyo yung pagsasagot nyo. And then mamaya, I will ask someone to substitute na lang. Okay, so gawin ko munang blanco to. Okay, sino ba pwede dito? Marcus. Marcus, what is our A sub 2?
1 over 20, sir.
Very good, 1 over 20. Okay, next, what is our, alam ko nakapasok na si Janelle kanina. Nagtatry to ano siya. Sige, si ano na lang. Let's ask Nikolai. Nikolai, what is our A sub 1?
1 over 60 po.
Okay, then after nyan class, reciprocal nyo yung 1 over 60 na. Sige, go. Tuloy nyo yung ginagawa nyo. R is equal to Sandra, what will be your next equation?
1 over 20 times 60 over 1 po.
Okay, 1 over 20 times 60
60
over 1. Oh, make sure lang na ganun din yung sa inyo. Equal. Thank you, Cassandra. Ask natin, Tristan. Ano magiging panibago nating equation, Tristan?
60 over 20.
60 over 20. And then lastly, ano yung magiging sagot natin sa 60 over 20, Tristan?
3 over 1.
3 over 1 or simply, pwede na siya 3. Okay? Kasi 60 divided by 20 is equals to 3. 3 divided by 1 is still 3. Okay, now multiply mo na yung 3 sa 1 over 20. Note lang class, yung 3, itatimes mo lang dun sa numerator ha. Huwag mo yung itasama yung denominator. So it always 20. Right? And then I will ask one person to tell what are the following numbers that is next to 3 terms. That is next to 1 over 20 rather. Pwede na magsalita yung meron ng sagot. Sabihin nyo lang yung pangalan nyo. Benny, susundan. Ito pala si Janelle. Grace, tapos na. O, pakigawa, Grace. So we have here, copy ko muna to ha. Okay. So 1 over 20 times 3. So that is 1 times 3 is 3 over 20. Tama? And then after nun, another one ka na naman. Times 3 over 20 times 3. O, yung 3 times 3 lang. Ganun. Palagi siyang over 20 na class. Hindi na nagbabago yung 20 doon. Yan. Control V. So, what is 3 times 3? Meron ka ng sagot dito, J-Real. Ano yung pangalawa mo?
9/20.
Okay, 9/20. And the last one is, ito na po class. 9/20 times 3 is equal to, ayan na, pinakalas na yan. Janelle, may sagot ka na dyan? What is 3 times 9?
27. Jeff.
Jeff, oo nga naman. 27. Ang tagal kasi ni Janelle magsalita. And that would be the final answer. Ayan. 3 lang gawin ko. Ayan. So, mahirap pag hindi tayo naka-blackboard. Uy, bakit nabura lahat? Ayan. So, that would be your final answer, class, ha? 3/20. Then next is 9/20. And lastly, you have 27/20. Nasusundan? Yung proseso natin, nakukuha? Okay. So yung iba na hindi nagpapasa ng paki-sure po na ipasa sa akin, ha? Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo kung kayo hindi magpapasa. Like kayo ay graduating student pa naman. Okay, so
Papasa dito, sir.
hindi na po. Meron na kayong notes nito, 'di ba, kahapon, and then pina-checkan ko na. So magbibigay ako ng answer me. So copy your question. Okay. Find the next 3 terms of geometric sequence. Okay. What is the choice? 8, 24, 72, and then the next 3 terms. Okay po? Madali lang yung class. You're not dealing with a fraction. Tomorrow, we don't have classes, ha?
Kailan po ipapasa to, sir?
Mamaya din. Pwede na magpasa nito sa answer me. Okay, this is plus 5 merits. Yes po, Grace. Okay na? Nakopya na po? So I think it's time na. So thank you everyone for listening. Goodbye. And see you on Friday. We have classes on Friday, ah.